My name is Alex and I'm CTO here at AppTweak. I started my career in civil engineering, specialized in computer science. I started in consulting, but I quickly discovered that this wasn't really for me and I moved to the startup world. AppTweak is my second startup and I joined soon after its creation as one of the first developers working on the first version of the commercial product. And with the growth of AppTweak, I've moved to a more managerial position for the past 4 years. ASO is a very new world, and as a market leader, we need to keep innovating at a very fast pace to keep our lead and retain our position. On top of that, the mobile world ecosystem is a very fast-changing environment with iOS and Android releasing new versions every year. And we need to adapt to those changes and identify new opportunities when they present themselves. And finally, to power our ML algos and data science pipelines, we need to be able to crawl, store, and organize millions of data points per day, which comes with its own set of challenges. So we solve these challenges by defining our way of doing things. For example, at the organizational level, we work in an agile manner with dedicated time for new features, for improving existing features, and time dedicated for debug sessions and bug fixes. At the code level, we have a clear separation of concerns between the crawlers, the data services, and the UI layer, which helps with efficient collaborations between developers and offers a lot of flexibility when we need to develop new features. At the technological level, we leverage the latest libraries and framework. Everything that we do is deployed on Docker images running on a Kubernetes cluster running on AWS. We have a CI/CD pipeline that allows us to deploy straight from Slack. All the code that we write is mostly written in Ruby, but we also leverage Python for data science algorithms. Our UI layer is programmed in React.js. So I would definitely talk about the wide variety of problems that we have to solve. We work on the complete stack, so we perform operations such as reverse engineering of private APIs, optimizations of very intricate details of network requests, up to more operational challenges such as handling of terabytes of data on our DB layer. At the UI UX layer, we have to make sure that we make all these complex ASO concepts understandable and actionable. I would also like to talk about our engineering cultures, which empowers developers to quickly iterate over their ideas and try new approaches. To foster that, we pride ourselves on being very transparent about our internal metrics and KPIs, which allows the engineers to get feedback on the tool improvements that they are making and measure the impact of their work.